Hi everyone. We're going to make a pair of earrings. Just crystal earrings. Ah! Dropped it. With these different crystals I've got. And stick that through. Stick one of these through. I have bead caps. And stick that through. And this is that bendy wire, so we'll have to wrap it. Just hoping they don't go through there because they just fall right off because that hole in that bead is big. That's why I put the bead caps on. That's what it's going to look like. Alright, now I'll take a round nose and go a little ways up above it, roll it over, bring it around, and then make the loop around it. This one might have the loop long enough that now we'll snip it here. See how bendy that is? Just a loose little bit of hair would pull that out. Man. I'm gonna roll it over, go around. I was late getting up a few videos the other day, and I got behind is what happened. We went to the mountains one day, and that knocked me behind. But it was good to get out of the house and get away for a little bit. And I might just share that video because my son put the GoPro on the time lapse, so you might be able to see some of it. I don't know how fast it might be whizzing by, but I might put it up if it ain't flying by. I think I can slow it down if it is. I hope. I know how to speed one up. I don't know if I know how to slow them down. But yeah. Oh, and y'all check out my, I put my photographs up on, or at least some of them. I don't have all of them up, but I'm starting to put some up on Fine Art America, and the link should be in the description if I haven't forgotten to put it in there. and I'll try to remember to put it in my bow. But y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end, and I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.